I recall several years ago reading that you shouldn't put more than 25 controls on a form to enhance readability, unable to find everything when you exceed that many. So if you need to have more than 25 controls, one of the things you can do in Access is to use the tab control. So I'm going to change this to the student form, and then I'll have a tab for financial aid, maybe a tab for achievement awards. All the different aspects that you want to do with a student, you can do with one form. So I'm going to change this form to design view, and take this out, change this to student. Probably change my caption also over here to student form, and okay. And so maybe I want in the details section, I'll keep the basic student information so it displays all the time. But then I'm going to come over to the design and add this tab control. And as you add this tab control, a tab has an object called pages. Not sure why page 12 and page 13 came up, but it did. And you'll notice this tab control, and as I select a certain page, it says page 12 up here in the property sheet. So I can change this page caption, and I'll call this student data. So I could then, in the student data form, come up and add a subform. Okay, and I will add, say, the student form as a subform. Okay, hope I can do that pretty quickly, and that did. Come over to page 13. See if you've already built your forms. Let me go to and add financial aid here, and add that subform to this tab. Okay, and use existing form. Use an existing form, the financial aid subform. Next, finish. And if you want to keep adding tabs, just right mouse click and click on insert page, and there's my next tab. Why 18, I don't know, but let me add the achievement award. Okay, and come up here. And when you use the subform wizard, which is what I'm doing here, okay, here we go. And what happens is, I'll take my time a little bit. I've already got an existing award form. Okay, so what is happening is it's automatically creating this relationship if you've built that in the relationship window. So it knows to show only the related records from the main form. It's automatically done. Let me show you a little bit more about that. See, it's linking master fields in the main form to child fields social security number. So you can keep on going. If you have more to do, if you got more fields, you keep adding tabs. It looks like I should pull that down a little bit. And let's come to the form view. Okay, and there's my first record. I'll pull that up a little bit. My second record is for Rita. Third record's for Jason. Let's see, I think I only got financial aid in the first record. So there's Sandy's financial aid. There's Sandy, she's a broadcasting major and on track, it looks like. So a very nice, easy to use feature called the tab control.